There are several ways to edit faster within Adobe Premiere and also other NLEs. What I like to do, me personally, is I like to create proxies depending on the size of the project. If it's a huge project, I like to create all my proxy files first, so then I can link back to the high resolution footage when it's time for me to deliver the finished product. So what that means is, let's say for example, someone says, here's a file for you, and this is your footage. And you dump it in your system, and your system's struggling to playback or even read the footage, right? Maybe it's a raw file, who knows what it is. What you're gonna wanna do immediately is encode that file down to a file size that your computer can handle or that it can read. So in Adobe Premiere, they have proxies, and you can create a proxy workflow. You can ingest the footage as proxies, and you can have them there, work off the proxies and link back to the high-res footage, or you can create the proxies yourself and store them somewhere, and then you have the high-res footage, and you can turn this button on inside of your NLE or inside of Premiere, and it'll tell Premiere, hey, I want to read the proxies from here, and I want to edit in proxy mode. And while you're editing, your system will be able to handle it, because it'll be reading the smaller files that you've encoded down to a smaller file size. And when you're done editing all your project and you worked on it, then you can grab those same clips and relink back to the original footage and deliver your project. Working in proxy mode helps you achieve a faster edit and get the job done faster.